And slowly release. We'll take Benji's cue here and find a nice comfy spot, extending the legs out long. Take a deep breath in and allow your arms to rest gently at your sides. Maybe press into the elbows, walk the shoulder blades down towards your hips. Find some space between the ears and the shoulders. And then close your eyes and just for a moment here, allow yourself to your gaze or close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and then slowly release and switch. Right foot to the ground, left rigid. Find soft, easy movement. Breathing deep. Oh, Benji's coming back. Ankle crosses over. Interlace the hands behind the right thigh. You can keep the feet active here.